Looking for the perfect car mount for your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra? In today's video, we're checking out 5 interesting car mount options designed to make using your foldable phone on the road easier and more convenient. From easy installation to viewing angles and foldable phone compatibility, we'll take a closer look at what makes each mount stand out. So, let's unfold the options and find the best car mount for your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in 2026. Number 5. Designed to address the distinct challenge of mounting wide, top-heavy mobile devices inside a vehicle, the folding phone and tablet suction cup dashboard car mount serves as an essential accessory for owners of foldables, such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold line and Pixel Fold, as well as tablets like the iPad Mini, Pro, and Air, ranging from 4 to 12.9 inches. Built around a reinforced aluminum alloy extension arm, an oversized 3.5-inch sticky suction cup base featuring a one-step vacuum locking mechanism and soft silicone-padded grip jaws, its build quality feels exceptionally rugged and premium compared to flimsy, all-plastic alternatives. The standout aspect of its design is the dual-articulated 360-degree rotation system, which enables precise height and angle adjustments so drivers can position an unfolded tablet-style display for split-screen navigation or media streaming without compromising visibility or blocking the windshield. In terms of real-life performance, this mount excels where standard phone holders fail. Whether tackling speed bumps, rough gravel roads, or extreme cabin temperatures, the powerful vacuum seal combined with the rigid metal arm holds heavy devices rock solid without sagging, shaking, or slipping. Ease of use is remarkable, as the spring-loaded clamp easily expands to accommodate thick protective cases, while the suction pad is washable and reusable, supported by an adhesive mounting disc for textured dashboard surfaces. When evaluated against competitors like motorized wireless charging vent mounts, which often droop under heavy foldables, block air vents, and suffer from thermal throttling under hot summer sun, this mechanical mount trades built-in wireless charging for uncompromised structural stability, wider device compatibility, and superior durability. At its accessible price point, it delivers outstanding value for money by providing reliable peace of mind when securing high-end electronics worth over $1,000. Ultimately, anyone from delivery drivers and truckers to daily commuters and road trippers who frequently uses expanded foldable screens or tablets on the road will benefit immensely from this product, and I wholeheartedly recommend it as a dependable, heavy-duty mounting solution. Number 4. Designed to tackle the aesthetic and functional shortcomings of bulky car cradles, the OATSBASF Gravity Car Phone Mount X06 offers a sleek, ultra-compact solution tailored for both standard smartphones and wide, unfolded foldables like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series and Google Pixel Fold. Constructed with high-density alloy components, vacuum-plated accents, and protective anti-scratch silicone padding, its standout build quality hinges on an invisible folding design. When empty, its spring-loaded arms collapse down to roughly half the size of a credit card, avoiding interior clutter and keeping climate control airflow completely unobstructed. The key feature is its auto-clamping gravity linkage mechanism. Dropping any device onto the bottom foot utilizes its weight to automatically expand and lock the 4 structural arms into a rock-solid triangular support structure. In real-life driving scenarios, the mount delivers smooth, noise-free performance. The upgraded rubberized vent clip anchors firmly onto air blades without slipping or causing damage, keeping heavier foldable devices stable and vibration-free across speed bumps, sharp turns, and rough pavement. Ease of use is exceptional, allowing seamless, single-handed operation without pressing awkward release buttons. Simply slide the phone in or lift it out in one fluid motion. When compared to motorized auto-clamping vent mounts, such as those from competitors like Joyveva or Apex Forge, the OATSBASF X06 drops active Qi wireless charging and battery-dependent electric motors in favor of instant mechanical reliability, lighter overall weight, zero gear noise, and zero thermal throttling from hot summer air vents. Delivering premium metal aesthetics and dependable mechanical functionality at a budget-friendly price point, it provides outstanding value for money for drivers who want a minimal footprint without sacrificing holding power. Ultimately, daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and foldable phone enthusiasts who prefer a clean dashboard aesthetic with effortless drop-and-go convenience will benefit immensely from this product, making it a highly recommended automotive accessory. Number 3. Engineered specifically to solve the distinct challenge of securely mounting wide, top-heavy devices inside vehicles. The car mount for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and Tablet series serves as a specialized hands-free solution for large folding screen phones, including Samsung Galaxy Z Fold models and Google Pixel Fold series, as well as compact tablets like the 8.3-inch iPad mini. Designed to clamp directly onto vehicle air vent grills, its key features center around an upgraded steel core hook clip paired with a 3-point anti-vibration baffle, extra deep clamp jaws that accommodate thick protective cases, and a standard 17mm ball head allowing full 360-degree rotation for seamless switching between landscape navigation and portrait viewing. The standout design aspect is its offset extension arm, which positions the mounted device slightly away from the direct air path, ensuring climate control airflow continues to circulate freely throughout the cabin while preventing hot air or freezing AC blasts from degrading the phone's battery health over long drives. In terms of build quality, the mount is constructed from high-impact ABS plastic combined with non-slip, anti-scratch rubber padding on all contact points to protect phone frames and absorb road vibrations. Real-life performance is exceptionally stable. Whether executing sharp turns, traversing speed bumps, or driving over uneven gravel roads, the mechanical hook locks onto vent blades without slipping or sagging under heavy device weight. Ease of use is remarkable, featuring a quick-release mechanism that enables smooth, single-handed mounting and removal in seconds. When compared to motorized wireless charging vent mounts, such as those from competitors like Deerhot or Spigen, this purely mechanical holder lacks automatic clamping motors and built-in Qi wireless power, but it compensates by offering far superior structural stability, complete freedom from electronic gear failure, zero thermal throttling issues, and broader multi-device versatility. At an affordable price point, it delivers exceptional value for money by providing dependable peace of mind when holding expensive electronics. Ultimately, rideshare drivers, delivery professionals, commuters, and road trippers who rely on expanded foldable displays or small tablets for hands-free navigation will benefit immensely from this product, making it a strongly recommended automotive accessory. Number 2. Designed specifically to solve the distinct challenge of holding wider, heavier devices inside a vehicle, the Z Fold 8 car mount with secure clamp and suction cup serves as a heavy-duty hands-free solution for large foldable smartphones, including the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series and Google Pixel Fold, as well as conventional smartphones and small tablets. Key features include an oversized 3.5-inch sticky suction cup base with a one-step vacuum locking lever, wide-opening spring-loaded clamp jaws, a 180-degree adjustable telescopic extension arm, and a 360-degree rotatable ball joint for switching between portrait and landscape orientations. Build quality is impressively robust, utilizing an aluminum alloy extension arm paired with high-impact ABS plastic and thick, anti-scratch silicone padding across contact surfaces to dampen road vibrations and protect phone edges. The unique design aspect of this mount is its 180-degree dual pivoting arm, which allows drivers to position an unfolded tablet-sized display lower than the dashboard crest, preserving an unobstructed windshield view while avoiding air vent blockage. In real-life driving scenarios, performance is rock solid. The suction base adheres relentlessly to windshields or textured dashboards using the included adhesive disc, maintaining an ironclad grip through sharp turns, speed bumps, and gravel roads without sagging or rattling, even during extreme summer temperatures. Ease of use is smooth and intuitive, as the quick-release clamp mechanism expands wide enough to accommodate devices equipped with bulky protective cases. When compared to motorized wireless charging mounts, such as those from competitors like Deerhot or Joyveva, this purely mechanical suction mount trades auto-clamping sensors and Qi charging coils for significantly greater structural payload capacity, complete immunity from motor gear failure, and immunity to high-temperature thermal shutdowns, Offering outstanding value for money at an accessible price point, it delivers long-lasting peace of mind when securing valuable flagship electronics. Ultimately, delivery drivers, commuters, long-haul truckers, and road trippers who rely on expanded foldable screens for multi-app navigation will benefit immensely from this product, making it a strongly recommended automotive accessory. Number 1. Designed to solve the challenge of mounting heavy, large-format electronics inside vehicles, the heavy-duty metal tablet and car mount serves as a rugged hands-free solution for large-screen devices, ranging from 4-inch smartphones to 12.9-inch iPad Pros and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series devices, across cars, trucks, pickup trucks, and vans. Its standout design features center on a solid aluminum alloy dual articulation extension arm, an oversized sticky gel suction cup base with a 2-stage vacuum locking lever, and a spring-loaded clamp with anti-slip silicone padding to grip heavy devices firmly. Build quality is exceptionally robust. The metal construction replaces the cheap, brittle plastic found on basic mounts, providing superior structural rigidity and heat resistance. The unique inclusion of dual 360-degree ball joints paired with a 180-degree pivoting main arm allows users to mount the stand to dashboards, windshields, or overhead sunroofs without obstructing line-of-sight driving views. In real-life scenarios, its anti-shake performance is impressive, whether driving over harsh speed bumps, off-road gravel paths, or uneven highway terrain. The rigid metal arm eliminates the annoying droop, bouncing, and vibration common with plastic gooseneck holders. Operating the holder is remarkably simple, as the quick expansion clamp opens smoothly to accommodate thick protective tablet cases without requiring removal. When compared to plastic gooseneck competitors, such as those from iAudi or Apex Forge, this all-metal mount provides far greater load capacity, zero sagging over long journeys, and drastically better long-term durability, even if it adds slightly more weight to the setup. Given its rugged construction and rock-solid stability, it offers outstanding value for money for drivers who cannot afford to let high-value iPads or foldables fall. Ultimately, commercial truck drivers, fleet operators, delivery professionals, and road trippers who rely on large tablet displays for navigation, logging, or multi-window logistics will benefit immensely from this mount, making it an easy, high-confidence recommendation. And that's our look at 5 Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra car mounts for 2026. Each option offers something different, whether you care most about stability, easy access, flexible viewing angles, or a clean setup in your car. The best choice will depend on your driving style and how you use your foldable phone. Which car mount would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech reviews and accessories.